In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage team members on Podia. Let's start right from your Podia dashboard. Open Podia in your browser and sign in so you land on the main dashboard view. This is your home base where you can see an overview of your site, products, and customer activity. From here, we'll quickly move into the area where team management lives. Look over to the left sidebar and click your account or site name. That opens the account menu with the settings you'll use to control who has access to your workspace. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue, so you don't adjust the wrong workspace by accident. Next, click on Team. This is the hub for managing your teammates. If you don't see the team option, it usually means your current plan doesn't include team features. Podia requires a paid Teams plan to add teammates. If you're evaluating whether to upgrade, think about how often you collaborate, how many roles you need, and whether delegating tasks could save you time or reduce risk. Inside the team area, you'll see tools to control what each person can do. Podia uses permissions that map to roles like products, audience, email, and blog. Here's a quick way to think about those. Products access is for creating and managing digital products, courses, or bundles. Give this to people who build or maintain your offers. Audience access is for viewing customers, leads, and purchase history. Reserve this for folks who need customer context or handle support. Email access lets someone create broadcasts, automations, and newsletters. Share it with your marketing or communications teammates. Blog access is for writing and publishing posts, perfect for content creators and editors. A good rule of thumb is to grant only what's necessary for someone's responsibilities. This protects customer data, reduces mistakes, and keeps your workspace tidy. If someone's role changes, come back here and adjust their permissions rather than giving broad access up front. Small tweaks go a long way in maintaining security and clarity. As you review your team, make a habit of checking permissions quarterly, especially after launches, staffing changes, or new initiatives. Most changes take effect right away, so coordinate with teammates if you're adjusting access during a big campaign. And if you want a deeper breakdown of what each permission includes, the Podia Help Center has a helpful guide that walks through all the details. That's it. You've navigated to your Podia dashboard, opened your account menu, and reached the team section with a clear understanding of roles and best practices for permissions.